Let's talk about a very unique feature of the iMRS Prime, which is the so-called split mode. A couple words about the split mode. The split mode is designed to run two totally independent applications with two totally independent applicators controlled by one and the same control unit, which we have here. So technically, in our connector box, we have two separate DA converters built in. They are responsible for creating the analog pulsed electromagnetic field signal. And comparing to some other systems in the market which offer some kind of split mode, but they also then split the power. So that means if you have two applicators attached, you will only get 50% of the exposed intensity on each applicator. And you cannot run two applicators independently with two totally different programs and settings. The split mode is capable of doing that. So let's see how it works. You tap on split mode. Whenever an hexagon brain goggle is attached to the system, this window will pop up because you need to assign the plugged hexagon brain to the side you would like to use it with, the left side or the right side. So let's say the one I attached, I would like to use it on the left side, so I tap on left. And now you will see the main screen of the split mode and left and right, so that means the hexagon brain is now enabled for the left side. Within split mode, you also have the options to utilize all the options which you have on the home screen, except one, which is the hybrid version, because a hybrid application cannot run within a split application because the power necessary for the far infrared application is too high, so we cannot provide a second applicator with the same application. So that's why there is no hybrid within the split mode. The setup procedure within the split mode for the left and the right side is identical to a single operation. So what we already showed to you previously in one of the other videos. However, be aware, now you need to check which applicators are connected to which side on your connector box, because now this is crucial to operate both sides properly. For example, what could happen, you want to perform a FASTA program on the left side, and even with brainwave, remember we assigned the hexagon brain to the left side, so that's why this will work. However, if I try it now, a failure message will appear saying that applicator is not plugged. I have an FIR mattress applicator plugged, but not on the left side of the connector box. I have it on the right side. So for split mode, it is very important to check which applicators are plugged on which side of the connector box, left and right. Otherwise, if an applicator is missing on one side, it will not be able to be performed certain options. For example, here the fast start, because the fast start only works with a whole body mat, either the PMF or the combined PMF FIR hexagon mat. So I cannot do this. I can go with the arrow back, but I could do a manual operation. Let's say with a spot, because here you can see the applicators which are assigned to the left side. In my case, it's the spot, it's the pad, and it's the goggles. So let's do a pad application with 16 minutes and intensity 200. And then we start this application. If you want to involve brainwave, you can do this. Choose a nice color and then continue, and then you can start the application and it will start running. Also, obviously, with the goggles involved. So now you can perform a totally independent application for the applicators which are attached to the right side of the connector box. In my case, it's the far infrared mat. So I can do also a PMF application without the far infrared option, which is only available over the hybrid mode and not within the split application. But I can run a fast start program here. Let's say balance and then start it, and it will start. And you can see two independent applications with one control unit, which could be very useful in a home setup. For example, in the bedroom, you have two applicators and you only need one control unit. Or definitely in a professional environment, in a clinic, in a hospital, you can use two sessions applications with only one control unit, which is also financially interesting for all the professionals who would like to invest in an iMRS Prime system. You can definitely independently stop each application and let it run. And again, with the home screen, you can go back to the main menu, to the home screen of the iMRS Prime.